Welcome. Today we are going to create an accessible web page using the built-in HTML editor in the D2L Learning Management System. So we're going to start by going to Content, and then this is going to bring up all of our modules. And I'm going to create a new module just for this content. I'm going to name this module Accessibility, and then I'm going to click Enter, and it's automatically added my module. Then I'm going to click on New and select Create a File. So we're going to begin by giving it a title, and then I'm going to re-enter my title, and then I'm going to give it a subtitle, and then I'm going to paste in a couple of paragraphs of text. Next, I'm going to go up to the top of the page and I'm going to use the CSS format so that way this file becomes accessible for those using a screen reader. So my first line is heading 1. My second line is going to be heading 2. And then I want to make sure those two paragraphs are formatted in paragraphs. Now that I've made these modifications, I'm going to click Save and Close. And there you have it, my accessible web page that I've made using the built-in HTML editor.